In the next 5 years, you won't lose your job to AI. You'll lose it to someone who knows how to use AI better than you. And most people are learning the wrong skills. AI is no longer coming. It's already hiring, firing, and promoting people. Students, engineers, managers, and creators, everyone will be affected. So in this video, I'll break down 7 AI skills that will matter more than degrees, explained simply with real examples. And make sure to watch to the end because skill number 7 is what separates users from leaders. So skill number 1, AI literacy. In the 2000s, if you didn't know how to use a computer, you were stuck. Today, if you don't understand how AI thinks, you're already behind. AI literacy means knowing what AI can and cannot do, understanding bias, hallucinations, limitations, and asking the right questions. So here's an example. 2 people use ChatGPT, one gets average results, and the other saves 5 hours daily. It's the same tool, but different literacy. Skill number 2, prompt engineering. AI is like a super smart intern, but it only works well if your instructions are clear. Here's a bad prompt, write code. And here's a good prompt, write clean Python code using functions, comments, and error handling for a beginner. This skill alone can 10 times productivity across coding, writing, marketing, and studying. And no, you don't need to be technical. Skill number 3 is data thinking. You don't need to be a data scientist, but you must learn how to read patterns, ask better questions, and validate AI outputs. AI is powerful, but only as good as the data and logic behind it. People who blindly trust AI will always fail. People who think with data will lead. And skill number 4, automation mindset. The real winners won't work harder. They'll automate smarter. Ask yourself, can AI and Python and tools do this for me? Emails, reports, scheduling and analysis, even decision support. If you can automate 1 task per week, you become irreplaceable in 2 years. Skill number 5, human and AI collaboration. AI is great at speed, patterns, and scale. Humans are great at context, emotion, and judgment. The future belongs to people who can combine both. Not AI versus humans, but AI and humans. This skill will matter more than pure technical ability. Skill number 6, ethical and critical AI thinking. AI can be biased, be wrong, and be manipulated. The next big demand? People who can question AI, not worship it. Companies already need professionals who understand several things like AI risks, privacy, and responsible usage. This is a career skill, not philosophy. And finally, skill number 7, continuous learning. Here's the truth no one tells you. The AI tools you learn today will be outdated in 18 months. The real skill is learning fast, unlearning faster, and adapting constantly. People who stop learning will be replaced, and people who evolve will lead. AI won't take your job, but ignoring these skills will. Start with 1 and practice weekly and grow intentionally. If this helped you understand the real future of work, subscribe to NPStation for practical AI coding and tech skills. And comment below which AI skill will you start learning this month. See you next time.